Hey guys, this is Thornton from Artist Till Death. He's using Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy and different additives to make his art project pop. This project has a dark section and a light section, and here he's using black and pink spray paint to create these fun effects using a paint stick. By fogging an additional color over those effects, you create depth. You can use a torch to move your colors, and you can add metallics to enhance anything. Next, Thornton will use metallic powders to create 3 different colors. He'll lay these out in beads, he'll heat them up, and then swipe a piece of paper across those colors. He'll then use gravity to his advantage and let the colors run downhill, and then reverse the process and let them run back uphill. Check out Stone Coat Countertops on YouTube and learn how to create with epoxy. Check out stonecoatcountertops.com to see all the products used in this video.
Our epoxy rocks, Stone Coat Countertops.